Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix message notification not working in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and here you can see the messages app. Now click on messages and then here you can force stop your messages app. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your messages app, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on sounds and vibration. Now here you can see the option do not disturb. Now click on it. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and again click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.